Hi, my name is Larry Newman. I'm a DWI defense attorney in New York. I'm based out of Ithaca, New York. I handle DWI cases. That's the focus of my practice, from Broome County, Binghamton, all the way up to Seneca County, which is Waterloo, all the way over to Steuben County, Bath, New York, and the other direction I go out to Cortland, New York. 95% of my practice is DWI defense. Today I'd like to talk about what's called the pre-conviction conditional license. License privileges in New York State are handled administratively, but they're handled by the court, and there's an integration between the court and the Department of Motor Vehicles that goes back and forth during any DWI case. It's important to understand that while your criminal matter with the DWI is pending, your license privileges are not going to be full privileges. They're going to be conditional privileges. In fact, the word conditional license has special meaning for the Department of Motor Vehicles. It means somebody has an impaired or intoxicated related offense, either pending or has already been convicted of. So when you have a conditional license, realize that it's not a full privilege to drive. It is a sensitive license as well, meaning while you're on any type of conditional privileges within the state of New York, you cannot get a seatbelt violation, you cannot get a cell phone violation, you cannot get any type of moving violation or on your vehicle, nothing beyond a parking ticket, or you lose the conditional privilege to drive. Now, after the first 30 days, the initial appearance and the arraignment, if you have a hardship privilege or if you don't have a hardship privilege, if it hasn't been applied for by your attorney, you can go to any Department of Motor Vehicles within the state of New York and apply for what they call the PCL, PCCL, Pre-Conviction Conditional License Privilege. A pre-conviction conditional license privilege is different than a hardship privilege. The primary difference between a hardship privilege and a conditional license is a conditional license can be used for course or scope of employment. And what that means is that you can use the license to go get supplies, you can use the license to go meet with clients or customers, or anything that relates to your job, including training. So that's different than the hardship privilege, because the hardship privilege is specifically for only to and from a job or a job site. So it expands that dramatically. The second difference is with a pre-conviction conditional license is that you also get a discretionary 3-hour driving privilege period per week that you pick, whether it's Monday from 9 to 12 or Saturday from 10 to 1, whatever it is, but you get to pick that and you can change that later on. Another crucial thing about the conditional license is that the Department of Motor Vehicle doesn't require specific proof, it just requires your say-so on the paperwork that this is what your job is, that this is where your school is, or this is where you have to bring your children for daycare. Whereas the court and the hardship privilege requires proof for that type of license. Later on we'll discuss what's called a post-revocation conditional license, which comes after your case is already finalized, after the criminal matter has been disposed of. Thank you very much. Now you can call me anytime, 607-229-5184, or you can go to my website. My main website is IthacaDWI.com, ITHACADWI.com. I'd be more than happy to take a look at your case and your situation and see if I can help you. Have a great day.